Hello student, welcome. I am Taposh and you are watching my educational channel Shubho Tutorial. The topic of my today's video is noun and its kinds. Nouns are of 5 kinds. But today in this video I have discussed only about common noun and proper noun. These two nouns are very vital in English language. So, without much ado, let's start. The noun, common and proper. A word used to name a person, place or thing is called a noun. Therefore, a noun is a naming word. Proper noun, the name of a particular person, place, thing, etc. It always starts with a capital letter. Examples: Vikas, name of a boy; Delhi, name of a place; Gita, name of a holy book. Common noun, the name given in common to every person or thing of the same kind. Examples: boy, city, holy book. Now classify the following words into common noun and proper noun. Father, common noun. Vidyasagar, proper noun. Rose, proper noun. Dog, common noun. Postman, common noun. Nishant, proper noun. Mahabharat, proper noun. Tree, common